You can insert subtotal row in a worksheet to summarize data. The subtotal row is inserted at the end of each group of data, and data is summarized by using sum function, max function, min function, count and average functions. Subtotal command cannot be used in an Excel table. You need to first convert Excel table in a range. Before converting the Excel table in a range, first sort the date column. Click Date Filter arrow button. Click Sort Oldest to Newest. Then convert this table into range. Active any cell of Excel table. Click Design tab. Click Convert to Range. Click Yes. The Excel table is converted to a range. To insert subtotal row at the end of group of month, click Data tab. Click Outline arrow button. Click Subtotal. The Subtotal dialog box opens. At each change in arrow button, select month. Use sum function because I want to add values. In Add Subtotal to box, remain check price items. Click OK. Subtotal row is inserted at the end of each month group. Month June has total sales $33.57. Month July has total sales $18.71. Similarly, other months. The grand total of each month is $160.51. Again click Subtotal button. Click Use function arrow button. Select Max function. Click OK. So you have maximum sale values in the month of June $8.93. Maximum sale value in the month of July $5.87. In this way, you can insert subtotal row in an Excel worksheet.